Hey guys, we're back again with a collab with Mrs Vee. It's a summer vignette, and here's our bathroom before we did anything. Looks pretty plain, but here we are adding some items, switching things up using what we already have. Now this is our first look. It's actually with a DIY that I previously did some time ago. Looks like it was a Christmas decoration that I made into an ornament. Here's another DIY. This one I actually have the step-by-step tutorial coming up towards the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed so far. And here are some Dollar Tree rub-on stickers and the 3 set of bins that they actually have. And I'm gonna cut them off here, and then what we'll be doing is just placing them and rubbing them on. Quite simple, a very, very easy DIY. As you can see, I completed 2 of the 3.